One thing I love to do is stitch designs that were meant to be in more than one color and stitch them only as one color. They call that monochrome. So when you have a design on your screen and you're ready to stitch it, you don't want it to stop in between every color change. Maybe you're doing something tone on tone. You're doing all white on a white item. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I've done black embroidery on black fabric, and the light just reflects off of that fabric. It looks very ornate, very tapestry-like, and just rich. So instead of having to keep pushing the start button every time it pauses, because the design has 10 colors in it, all you need to do, pick up your design, get to the embroidery screen, and touch the picture with the paintbrush. When you touch that, that does mean that when you start stitching, it's going to stitch all the colors. Now this one just had 2 colors designs, but I will tell you, once I start, it's going to finish it all the way through. And boy, is that, well, it's a time saver. I like to do that sometimes. And even sometimes like red work designs, maybe they've come with multiple colors and you are sewing them with red thread, all one color. So instead of it stopping, turn that monochrome feature on and it will take out all the color stops.